Hello, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa and today we are in the kitchen. We're cooking something super yummy. We're making chai latte cupcakes. These cupcakes are so yummy and they're so easy to make. You're going to want to add them to your Christmas baking list. One of the best things about this recipe is it is customizable. We're going to start by brewing our favorite tea in about a cup of warm milk. We're using a tea that has some flavors of orange and ginger and other flavors in it, but you can use whichever tea you like best. We are also going to use a box of plain white cake mix. You could also make your cake from scratch, but we're going to keep it simple. And in keeping with those chai flavors, we are going to spice up our cake mix a little bit. We're going to use a little bit of pumpkin pie spice and some cardamom. We're also going to need some eggs and about a quarter cup of vegetable oil. We're going to stir our spice mixture into our box cake mix. We want to stir it pretty well and make sure that those spices are pretty well incorporated into the cake mix. Then in goes a quarter cup of vegetable oil, followed by 3 eggs. Then we're going to take our tea that's been steeping in the milk and we're going to add it to the mixture. And these ingredients are going to be stirred together. This batter makes about 12 good-sized cupcakes. We're going to make sure we add a liner to each of our cupcake cups. Each cupcake will take about a half a cup of batter. And when we made this recipe, we had enough batter left over to make a mini cake using a mini loaf pan. This is going to make a perfect Christmas gift for my neighbor. To make the frosting, we are going to start with our favorite white frosting, and we're going to add a few tablespoons of tea to the mixture, and then we're going to also add a few of the spices, the pumpkin pie spice and the cardamom. We are going to move the mixture to a plastic bag. When our cupcakes are ready to frost, we're going to cut a small tip from the bag and then just pipe the frosting right onto our cupcakes. We're going to add a few sprinkles to make our cupcakes a little more festive. You could also add cinnamon or chocolate shavings or some extra pumpkin pie spice as well. And whether they're frosted or unfrosted, these super yummy cupcakes make a perfect Christmas gift. They are the perfect addition to a tea-themed gift basket. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For the recipe and more articles, go online to PenelCentral.com.